Hello guys, welcome back to Good Short Tips. In this video I'm going to talk about how to fix Wi-Fi range issues on Windows 10 and how to fix this up. So let's get started. So first step, what you have to do is you just have to update your network update drivers. You have to update it. So to do this you just have to click over here and go to properties, and from here you have to click on device manager. Now from here you have to go to network adapters, and from here you just have to update the drivers. This is the first step you have to do. You just have to update the drivers and see whether the issue is solved or not. If it's not working, then you just have to move to the next one, which is all about moving to the next one is all about setting the wireless adapter to work in a maximum performance mode. And if you ask me how to do this, so first thing what you have to do is you just have to go here in the search, and now you have to go to power options. You have to go for power options. You have to go to power options, and you have to click on edit power plan. You have to open this, and now from here you have to go for change advanced power setting. And now from here under this one, wireless adapter setting, you have to select power saving mode and make sure this is on the maximum performance. If it's not maximum performance, or if it is on anything else, you just have to make the maximum performance, and once after that go for OK and try to see whether the issue is solved or not. And if it's not working, then most probably what you have to do is you just have to go for the next one, which is check if your wireless card is working correctly or not. This is you can do by this yourself, and this is what you have to do. And moving on to the next one is all about change the sensibility value, and to do this you just have to go to the device manager once again. So I have to give this a shortcut, which is press Windows key and X key all together on your PC, and we'll get into this, and you can go to device manager. And now from here you have to go to network adapters. You have to go to you just have to go to network adapters, and from here you have to click on this and go to properties, and from here you have to select advanced, and from here you have to go to roaming sensitivity. As you can see that it is being kept to disable. Now from here you have to get it to the highest values, and you have to go for OK, and you have to see whether the issue is solved or not. So I'm not going to give OK here because I'm not going to change it. Let me keep it to the same disable. So you just have to change this to highest one and go for OK and see whether the issue is fixed or not. And if it's not working, then most probably we have to go to the next step, which is disable the Bluetooth. So this is one of the very easiest step which you can do out. You have to disable the Bluetooth, which is very easy. So to do this you just have to go to the device manager itself, and you can go to properties, or you can press Windows and X key all together and go to the device manager, and from here you have to select the Bluetooth and you just have to disable it or uninstall it completely. And after this, try out yourself whether the issue is solved, and if it's not working, then most probably we have to go to the next one, which is all about we have to go to the next one, which is all about set antenna diversity to auxiliary. And to do this you just have to press this PC. You have to select this and go to properties, and from here go to device manager, and from here, as I mentioned, you have to go to network and adapters. You have to go to network and adapters, and you just have to select this, and you have to go to properties. From the properties you have to click on advanced, and from here you have to go to set, and you just have to select this. In some options it will be here, and here it's not there, so you just have to, don't worry, but in some cases it used to be there, so you just have to set it to the antenna. And after that you just have to try out, which is most probably helping you guys to fix the issue up. So if it's not working, then most probably we have to do some of the basic technical steps, such as update your router firmware, or check the router frequency whether any issue is in between happening, or change the router wireless channel. You just have to change for a couple of times, and you have to see whether on which channel it's going to work good, and you have to check on your router or change your Wi-Fi adapter antenna and see any issue is happening over there technically. And moving on, I would like to make you add a little bit technical supports, or which you can try out, which is use a Wi-Fi repeater or a wireless access point, and also you can make sure there is no things is running in the background which disrupt the Wi-Fi signal. For example, make sure it is not too far, it is not too close, or it's not been in another room, so the walls and things are not affecting your PCs to get connected very easily. And also, if it's not working, and make sure you have tried all these things, and if the still issue persists, I request you guys to buy a Wi-Fi extender and try out, which may be sometimes to fix the issue up. And after trying all these things it's not working, then I request you guys to replace your modem or router by contacting the respective cable operators, and most probably these are some of the possible workarounds you can try out. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notifications. See you soon in the next video. Peace out.